Hey guys, if you for whatever reason don't like pasta or can't stand the taste of anchovies, then turn away now. But otherwise, please try this pasta recipe. It's one of my favorites. You don't even really taste the anchovies that much. They're not that fishy, but we're gonna kind of reduce and melt them into the best butter sauce to go on top of the pasta. So all you need, this is fettuccine. It's just a personal pasta preference. You can use whatever. Salt, and then just some seasonings like parsley, garlic powder. These are grape tomatoes, the anchovies, a little bit of butter, and some Parmesan cheese for the end. So we're just gonna start by, I'm just gonna make this pasta, just put it in boiling water until it's al dente, and then we're going to cut these grape tomatoes in half. Okay, now we're gonna make the sauce. So we're gonna melt a little bit of butter in the pan, and we're just gonna wait for that to get softer. And then we're going to put the anchovies and start melting them down in the butter. The anchovies are going to come out in like pretty big chunks. I'm clearly having a hard time getting them all out, so I just dumped the whole thing in there. And what we want to do is just slowly break down the anchovies into, we're basically going to mash them up into little pieces so that they just dissolve and reduce down better in the butter and just soak in all of that flavor. For this whole part with the anchovies, just make sure your burner isn't on too high, because the worst thing is when butter burns. Okay, once your sauce looks a lot more homogeneous, we're just going to add in these halved tomatoes. And for this part, I turned the burner up a little bit because I like almost like a little bit of browning on these grape tomatoes, and then just let it sit until whenever you're ready to take it out. Okay, that's all. Another like super easy 15-minute recipe. This is like one of my favorites, so if you make this, let me know how it turns out.